Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here, and today I get to talk to you about one of my favorite shortcuts in SolidWorks. That is the use of the R key on your keyboard. Ow! So learning how to leverage the R key on your keyboard, which is this key here, the R key, can be huge in SolidWorks and can really save you a lot of time. Let me show you an example of what I mean. I'm going to go to the window command here and flip over to my second window where I'm working on a part called lid for sauna. I'm going to make a nice cover for this sauna. And so I'm going to take this sketch and I'm going to extrude this out to a height of 4 inches. And once I've got that geometry looking pretty good, I think I'm going to save this part and I'm going to close it. And you know what? I'm just going to close everything and I'm going to go home for the weekend. Now, I come back into the office on Monday and I need to open that sauna assembly and I need to open that lid, and I cannot remember where I saved those files. This is the first place that the R key really comes in handy. Whenever you press the R key on your keyboard, SolidWorks presents you with a list of all of your most recently accessed documents. R for recently accessed documents. And that means by just clicking on one of those documents, you're able to open that document up into the primary window. So for example, if I press R again, I can click on that lid and, oh, thank goodness, there it is. Now I'm ready to continue working on this lid. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to press the shell command, I'm going to add a shell here of 1/2 inch to the underside of this thing, and then I'm going to finish off just by adding some color to this thing. Let me make this, I'll make it a little bit of a red color. I think that red color will look really good. Whoops, not for the shell, but for the entire part. There we go. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good, so I'm going to save this now, and I'm going to close it, and oh, crud! I forgot I needed to use that lid in this assembly. Well, once again, this is where the R key really can save you a lot of time, because if you press the R key and it presents you with this list of recently accessed documents, you can drag and drop right from this list. So I can just drag the lid right here from that list, drop it in here on my assembly, and there we go. We've got our lid ready to go for this sauna. And that is a huge time saver in SolidWorks, and definitely one that you want to remember. It's one that saved me a lot of time. Because in the past, what was I doing? I was going insert components, and then I have to browse, and then I have to go and find wherever I happen to store that lid. But nope, we don't have to do that anymore. We can just press the R key, go down to the component that we want to add to the assembly. Let's add this bass guitar, because bass guitar always goes good in a sauna, and certainly you're going to get some great acoustics in there if you're doing any recording. And there we go. I was able to take that bass guitar assembly, drag and drop it here into my higher level sauna assembly, no problem. And now we can drop that into our sauna so that we can play while we're in there and pass the time while we're getting a good steam. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, be sure to add a comment, and of course be sure to share this with other SolidWorks enthusiasts, and I will see everyone in the next episode.